a wig, or actually a lace front wig from Wiggins Hair. I've done a review for them in the past, maybe actually like around September of last year, so they're not new to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of their 13x6 lace front wigs. So this is a 20-inch 180% density loose deep wave wig. I have already bleached the knots a few days ago, so I got a head start on this video. So I've already bleached the knots and toned it with my Shimmer Light shampoo, and I definitely messed it up a little bit on the sides because I over processed it, so I had to go in with some brown hair dye. It was a lot. Okay, I low-key hate dyeing these lace front wigs because the way I have to bleach them is always me messing up or over processing. So this is a wig right here, and then of course, oh come on Kermit, in the box came these lashes. So I got these lashes right here. Pick it up here. Got these lashes, and then it came with an elastic band. So if I want to add an elastic band, everything keep dropping. So if I want to add an elastic band for tightness, I can. And then it comes with the sizing chart right here. You guys can see that little sizing chart, and then fuck, I keep dropping everything. Then it comes with this little baggie that says Wiggins Hair. So I guess if I want to put the wig up, I can put it in there. And then this is basically their little show card talking about all of the different densities. So they have 130, 150, 180, 200, and 250% density wigs available. Different styles and different densities are available. So basically that's what this card says. But the process of doing lace front wigs is a lot, and honestly I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't even care for frontals or lace front wigs anymore because of the maintenance. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna apply this wig, and I'm probably more than likely not gonna use the actual elastic band that was given, because I did try this wig on already, and just by using the adjustable straps in the back, and it has combs as well. It has 3 combs, so 2 on the side and then 1 on the back. I didn't really feel the need to have to use an elastic band because it really just fits. So I'll just put it on really quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It fits really snug, so I like that. And it's a 13x6 if I didn't mention, which I think I did mention. Oh, that comb got stuck. Alright, now hold on, they done stole my fucking wig cap. I'm not about to be playing this game. What the fuck is it? Okay, they got some hazard pieces in this wig. They done snatched my whole wig cap off. So let's try this again. I'm gonna put my wig cap back on. Ouch. And then so as you can see, I don't really need an elastic band at all. Maybe, I don't know, I probably won't, because I'm going to use not got to be glue gel, but I'm going to be using this Aussie instant freeze gel instead of the got to be glue gel, because I actually don't have that bottle anymore. So I bought this at Dollar General, and I'm going to see how well this works. In comparison, I did not do any extra plucking to this wig. I don't even know what side I think I'm gonna do a side part, because that's normally what I'm good for with these types of textures. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a side part, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the hard work off of camera. You guys already know how I feel about this lace color. I don't like it, but when I come back, you're gonna see what I was able to do and how I was able to make light out of this wig. So see you guys soon.
That's good.
So you saw me struggling in our earlier clips, because like I said, I don't really rock with frontals or lace front wigs like that anymore. I kind of like to stick to my closures, my larger size closures, like 5x5s, 6x6s. I'm probably gonna dabble in a 7x7 sooner or later, but you know, I just really don't like wearing frontals or lace fronts like that ever since I lost my edges. And even though I've regained them back, I've resurrected them from the fucking dead, I still get anxiety when I rock these lace fronts or frontals. But when I put on the makeup and I got the outfit together, I actually pulled it together and it actually looks pretty nice. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the lace is not great anymore. So I had to mix my foundation. Oh no, please don't fall. I had to mix my foundation shades in order to get my perfect, close to perfect shade for the lace front. So I used my Maybelline Superstay foundation. I mixed 356 warm coconut and 334 warm sun together. This is actually what I use on my face as well. So I just mix these two together to put it on the back side of the lace to make it more blendable, because that gray was not hitting at all. It was not cute. So yeah, so you guys also saw in the beginning that I used the Aussie Instant Freeze gel instead of the Got To Be glue gel, but I also used the Got To Be freeze spray. So it's kind of like, I don't know if I could carry this entire wig just off of this. I might have to try this maybe with a closure down the line, but I did use the freeze spray in order to tack it down. So that's that. As you can see, I added some little baby hairs, just a little bit, not too much. Other than that, we're just going to talk about the hair. Like I said, this is a 180% density 20-inch loose deep wave wig from Wiggins Hair Company. They sent this to me to review, obviously, but you know I'm going to keep it real with you regardless if I'm getting sent free stuff, if I'm getting paid, whatever the case may be. So this is the hair in its natural state after using a spray bottle on it, and it's very, very pretty. It's very pretty. I've had a love-hate relationship with loose deep wave, because the first review I did with Wiggins Hair, I did a review on their loose deep wave, except for I had bundles and a closure. It's just that I think it's better in the side part, simply because with loose deep wave, the wave does not go all the way up to the top. You guys can see, like, the top is like straight. So when it was like in the middle part, like from my other review, I never liked how it looked because it just looked incomplete. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just didn't look the way I wanted it to look. So when I have it in the side part, it just looks better, like having a little bit straight and then it waving up towards the bottom. It works like that. So I like how it's looking, and it's very, very, very soft. I didn't add any products into it except for the water bottle that I used had some Aussie conditioner in it, some leftover conditioner. It's not like I added anything else into it except for more water. So you see it's kind of cloudy because, yeah, it has conditioner in it, but it's not so much conditioner that it weighed the hair down, because the hair is still very, very fluffy, and like I said, it's really soft. And I didn't experience any type of shedding while I was brushing the hair, brushing the curls out while I was using the spray bottle, so that's always a plus. You guys know just my con with this hair particularly is just the simple fact that the lace was great. If it was just pure transparent lace, I think it would blend even better than what it's doing right now. But I think I did a very good job for the circumstances. You know, that's really all I can do. But I like the length. You know, 20 inches is actually not a bad length. It's really cute. Like I said, it's just really fluffy. Like, I really like it. And the side part. Remember that, in the side part. So, this is a medium cap. Yeah, this is medium cap because my head size is 22 inches in circumference. A lot of people probably think my head was bigger. I used to think my head was like a 23 inch because I used to make all my wigs on a 23 inch blockhead and wondered why I had a little bit of gap space. But this is like 2016 when it was back in the day. But now I know my head size is a 22 inch circumference, which is the average size head size, and it is the size for a medium cap. So that is what that's what I got. I find it that the medium caps, like, of course you need the lace to end up covering your edges and stuff like that. They just come down extra far. Like, I think my hairline stops like back here, so I got like this much in front, so it's making my forehead look extra small. And then on the sides, of course, God bless that they actually cover my edges, but I have like literally like less than an inch between the lace and my eyebrow, which made me dislike putting my makeup on. Like, I don't like putting makeup on anymore when it comes to wearing a frontal when the frontal is already on. But enough of my complaining. I did it, and I'm actually happy. I took some pictures before I actually started recording, because you know I'm not good for that these days. Like, I'll record the video and then I'll forget to take the pictures, the wig already be off, makeup be off, and it's just a mess. So their lace front wigs are actually on the affordable side. Let me actually fact check myself right now so I can give you guys accurate pricing for this. Okay, so for a 13 by 6, because like I said, this is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, well, lace front wig. So the parting space is 6 inches from the front to the back. So that's a deep space for people who like deep partings and all that type of stuff. They don't like their parts to be shallow, because you know I've had experience with some wigs where there was only a 3-inch parting space, and that's slavery. It's terrible. So 13 by 6, excuse me, loose deep wave lace front wig, 20 inches, 180% density with a medium cap size is $219.70. 70, I don't know if that sounds like 17, 70 cents. $219.70. So that's very, very affordable in my opinion. You know, for anybody that's looking for an affordable wig, lace front wig that likes to wear frontals, wants a little bit of length, likes the density, because like I said, it's not too thick and it's not thin. So but it's flat, you feel me? Like the tracks in the back are very flat, because when they make lace front wigs, I think they like splice the tracks, the regular tracks in half, so that they're half the size. So they add a lot of hair in the back, and they're sewn very, very nicely, so it's very flat, so you don't have to worry about any bulkiness in the back of your head. My people can hear you in the background. So yeah, for $219.70, this is actually a great wig, great length, and a great density. If you want to gift it to somebody, if you want to treat yourself, this is actually very nice. Like I said, my biggest con was just the color of the lace, but I was able to, you know, do what I had to do with my foundation in order to make it wearable, which I'm wearing it right now. So yeah guys, that is pretty much my review of the Wiggins Hair 13 by 6 loose deep wave lace front wig, 180% density and 20 inches. Of course, all of the links and the specs for this hair will be listed in the description box below for you guys for added ease, so you won't have to actually type in the actual website on your browser and get lost. So make sure you check out the description box, and if there's anything else that I left out, please comment in the comment section below, and hit the subscribe button. If you're a stranger and you just over here moseying around, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.